Hey, I'm David Dixon. I'm the fire mechanic for the El Dorado Hills Fire Department. Been here a year and a half. My tasks and duties every day are to work on this equipment and make sure they're maintained, kept in a safe manner, and make sure our crews can respond to the calls that they need to be at. Well, I've been working as a fire mechanic here for a year and a half. Been working on fire equipment and apparatus for the last 13 years. Before here, I was in Alaska and Nevada, working on oil fields, everything under the sun. Also helping out with the fire departments up there. What brought me down here was the opportunity to be back in the community that I grew up in and to help serve them. I grew up here in El Dorado County, father of 3, married to my wife for 17 years, and just glad to be home, be back in this beautiful state. A lot of the unique challenges that come with this job are our equipment is specialty. It's very specific to what we do, whether it's an air unit, a truck, a ladder truck, water tender, an engine, ambulances. Everything is custom built and very different from machine to machine. So you have to have a wide range of knowledge in everything, be able to sort out the issues that the crews have with them. A big part of the importance of making sure all this apparatus is working right and going is just the response to the community so that they can serve, so that our crews are safe. To rush to a fire or to a vehicle accident or a medical call, that they can operate these things and be able to push them to their limits every day and know that they are safe and going to get there. It is challenging at times, but also very fun to figure out the problems and work with the crews and the engineers when they present a problem to get it worked on. One of the great things about being a mechanic here in this department, having their own mechanic, is a lot of the times you take it away to a dealership where there's no feedback, there's no talking, and I get to see these vehicles every day. I know them intimately, and that helps the process and avoids a lot of downtime. Currently, I think in our fleet we have about 37 vehicles between admin vehicles, inspector vehicles, ambulances, and fire apparatus that we work on. Another unique factor of this job is that is not your typical job. There's a family relationship with the crews. You're not just a mechanic on the line working on next truck or vehicle that comes in. So you know the people that are driving these every day. You know that, hey, this vehicle could respond to my family. Typical day here, start early as the emails fly in through our system that manages our daily inspections and all that stuff. If there's issues that pop up, there's triaging that goes on with that where I have to set my day of priority from this repair to that repair, and plan the scheduled maintenance, doing the preventative maintenance and getting that on a schedule with the crews between their training and their need for certain vehicles to make sure they're still equipped when I have to take something out of service. So when I started with this fire department, they'd never had a mechanic before here. So they gave me the unique opportunity to design my own truck that would fit the bill for everything we need to do. And it was a lot of fun. I took a lot of things from my experience over the years in a service truck or mechanic's truck and took the best of both worlds. Had to look at different things of weights, how much weight we'd be lifting with it, different things. So big crane on it, there's air compressor, welder, everything. It is a mobile shop, minus the roof. So it will get everything done that we need to get done, and that has been pretty cool in that opportunity, getting to design that and work and get that coming here. One reason for this unique vehicle is that we have 5 stations in El Dorado Hills. So I need to be able to take everything I need with me to the stations to work on them. One of the things I like when I started here and continue to work here is that for the year and a half that I've been here, there hasn't been a day I haven't want to come here. It is fun, it's exciting, it's a pleasure, and I look forward to doing it for many, many more years.